Regardless of what kind of source you found or where you found it, there are only two ways of using it. You can quote it, word for word, just like you found it, or rephrase it in your own words. This is sometimes called paraphrasing or summarizing. Let's look at each. First, quoting. Here's a passage from Rachel Adele. The original text reads, "Deaths from colon cancer occur twice as often in women as in men, but the media make it seem that breast cancer is the #1 killer of women." Now, if you want to use that quote in your marketing report for your new colon cancer screening kit, you might write something like this. Pretty simple. You introduce the quote with your own phrase, set off the quote with a comma, and mark the beginning and end with quote marks. Now, the only other way you can use Adele's material is to rephrase it in your own sentence, like this. Although twice as many women die from colon cancer as men, the media choose to focus on breast cancer as the main threat to women. Citation. The rephrased version says the same thing as the original, but in your own language. Sure, certain keywords have to be repeated. Colon cancer, women, men, media, breast cancer. That's fine. After all, there's only one way to say square root. But there's no doubt the original passage has been successfully translated into your own way of saying it. So that's it. Those are your only two choices when using an outside source. Quote it or rephrase it. And, by the way, both must be cited.